Hello, Nigerians.
50 tax exemptions and reliefs that will benefit the masses under the new tax reform laws. From January 1st, 2026, the new tax laws will provide many reliefs and exemptions for low-income earners, average taxpayers, and small businesses, including personal income tax 1. Individuals earning the national minimum wage or less is exempted 2. Annual gross income up to 1,200,000 Naira, translating to about 800,000 Naira taxable income, is exempt. 3. Reduced PAYE tax for those earning annual gross income up to 20 million Naira. 4. Gifts are exempted. Allowable deductions and reliefs for individuals. 5. Pension contribution to PFA. 6. National Health Insurance Scheme. 7. National Housing Fund contributions. 8. Interest on loans for owner-occupied residential housing. 9. Life insurance or annuity premiums. 10. Rent relief 20% of annual rent up to 500,000 Naira. Exemptions under pensions and gratuities are 11. Pension funds and assets under the Pension Reform Act, PRA, are tax exempt. 12. Pension, gratuity or any retirement benefits granted in line with the PRA. 13. Compensation for loss of employment up to 50 million Naira. Capital gains tax, CGT exempt. 14. Sale of an owner-occupied house. 15. Personal effects or chattels worth up to 5 million Naira. 16. Sale of up to 2 private vehicles per year. 17. Gains on shares below 150 million Naira per year or gains up to 10 million Naira. 18. Gains on shares above exemption threshold if the proceed is reinvested. 19. Pension funds, charities, and religious institutions, non-commercial, companies income tax, CIT, exempt. 20. Small companies, turnover not more than 100 million Naira and total fixed assets not more than 250 million Naira, pay 0% tax. 21. Eligible, labeled startups are exempt. 22. Compensation relief 50% additional deduction for salary increases, wage awards, or transport subsidies for low-income workers. 23. Employment relief 50% deduction for salaries of new employees hired and retained for at least 3 years. 24. Tax holiday for the first 5 years for agricultural businesses, crop production, livestock, dairy, etc. 25. Gains from investment in a labeled startup by venture capitalist, private equity fund, accelerators or incubators, development levy, exempt. 26. Small companies are exempt from 4% development levy, withholding tax, exempt. 27. Small companies, manufacturers and agribusinesses are exempt from withholding tax deduction on their income. 28. Small companies are exempt from deduction on their payments to suppliers, value-added tax, VAT 0% or exempt. 29. Basic food items 0% VAT. 30. Rent, exempt. 31. Education services and materials 0% VAT. 32. Health and medical services. 33. Pharmaceutical products 0% VAT. 34. Small companies, 100 meters Naira turnover are exempt from charging VAT. 35. Diesel, petrol, and solar power equipment, VAT suspended or exempt. 36. Refund of VAT on assets and overheads to produce VA table or 0% VAT goods and services. 37. Agricultural inputs, fertilizers, seeds, seedlings, feeds, and live animals. 38. Purchase, lease or hire of equipment for agri purposes. 39. Disability aids, hearing aids, wheelchairs, braille materials. 40. Transport, shared passenger road transport, non-charter. 41. Electric vehicles and parts is exempt. 42. Humanitarian supplies is exempt. 43. Baby products. 44. Sanitary towels, pads or tampons. 45. Land and building, stamp duties, exempt. 46. Electronic money transfers below 10,000 Naira. 47. Salary payments. 48. Intrabank transfers. 49. Transfers of government securities or shares. 50. All documents for transfer of stocks and shares. Share this good news with everyone you care about who needs to know. Watch the video on capital gains tax. Subscribe for more.